These are 3 ways that cats show their love for you. Post a cute picture of your cat in the comments. Number 3, they give you a head bump or face rub. When a cat bumps you with their head or rubs their face on you, it's called bunting. This does 2 things. It says they love you and it marks their scent on you. It's one of the highest signs of trust. Number 2, their tail stands straight up. When a cat approaches with their tail straight up, sometimes with a curled tip, it's one of the friendliest greetings and ways to show love they have. Number 1, they slow blink. If your cat looks at you and slowly closes and reopens their eyes, that's a cat kiss. They are saying, "I love you so much,"